Hello, and welcome to our quarterly economic update. We continue to see strength in most areas of the market this year, with a rally on the news of the Iran war coming to an end. The S&P 500 has rallied to almost a 10% gain, something we would be happy with for the full year given market conditions. It takes two to play this game, so who knows the final outcome in the Middle East? The sooner, the better. We believe volatility will hit the back half of the year as the push-up may have gotten a little ahead of itself. We believed if oil would drop, stocks would rally off those lows in March. Pre-Iran war, oil was in the mid-60s. At the time of this writing, oil has slid to $78 per barrel from a March high of $119, which would translate to much-needed relief at the pump in the coming weeks and help inflation pressures, which are not contained. On the flip side, with higher gas prices, some people may start eyeing electric vehicles again as a more cost-effective mode for their transportation needs. Either way, it should be market demand and consumer choice, not a forced decision by government, which works best. Globally, we have seen some interesting trends taking shape with our trade partners. It appears the tariff strategy redirecting imports away from China is working. Once number one to the US, China has drifted down to fourth behind Mexico, Canada, and Taiwan. China's imports are down 37.1% to the US through April of this year versus last. Creating competition in imports is a huge win for the US as it shows a diversification of supply chain and strengthening of our closest neighbors with more trade and more jobs. The big news was the SpaceX IPO. Our opinion, based on research, is to wait on buying. Why? We are not betting against Elon and his vision necessarily in the long run, but in the short term, the math for IPOs has been very spotty at best. Historically, the next 60 to 90 days may prove to find a better opportunity. We could be wrong. The IPO was the biggest ever, with the company having a valuation currently of $2.5 trillion. Not bad for a company that doesn't show a profit yet. We hope everyone has an amazing summer. For those that live in the Midwest, you know we have only a short time to enjoy the beautiful outdoors. Make sure to take the time to enjoy those farmers markets, parades, barbecues, sunny morning walks, and sporting events with family and friends. Happy 250th, America.